Hazrat Umar Farooq radiyallahu anhu said, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, bless me with martyrdom in your apostles' city. Hazrat Ishaq bin Abdullah bin Abi Talha reports that he heard Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu saying, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam off and on would visit Hazrat Haram, the daughter of Maliha, who would serve him with meals. And Hazrat Haram was the wife of Hazrat Ubadah bin Samit radiyallahu anhu. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam once went to her house and she served him with food and started seeking lice in his head. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam went to sleep. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam woke up laughing. She says that she said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what made you laugh? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, some of my followers were presented before me who for fighting in the way of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu are riding over the bosom of this ocean in the way as the kings mount their thrones, or they are like those kings who are sitting on the thrones. Ishaq, the reporter, is doubtful about it. She says, I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, invoke Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, that He Jalla Jalaluhu may include me among those people. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam prayed for her. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam again went to sleep and woke up laughing. So I said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what made you laugh? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, some more people of my ummah have been presented before me fighting in the way of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, as he said before. She says that she submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, invoke Allah Jalla Jalaluhu for including me among them. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, you have been included in the first group. She, during the reign of Hazrat Muawiyah bin Abu Sufyan radiyallahu anhum, went on board and after coming out of the sea fell off her mount and passed away. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2788 and 2789.